Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Musakidina Jikiri. I'm already 24 years old. Currently, fourth year student, Bachelor of Science in Teaching and College of Sports and Urban Studies. Question about. I am applying for ATENET students for 2024 that scheduled on September 11 to 13 in Vienna University, Hanoi, Vietnam. Sige, tulong na ako. So, ano na question mo?
As well.
And then the question no. Like, what do you want to?
Do you think you are qualified?
Yes,
Today?
I don't think like I'm confidently.
Wow, sana all.
I napaka-confident ko na I'm qualified for this student forum because I'm unique. I'm a student teacher. I'm already an ISO teacher of Hadjir National High School, and my leadership skills is already been like galing ko na. Like already been a teacher for almost 1 year. Actually, hindi ako part ng any organization sa Islamic student organization government. There is no, but I can proudly say that from first year hanggang third year, I've always been there supporting CS behind the scene. Like people don't even recognize me. Even though I'm not in a position, hindi ako officer, but I'm proudly sabihin na lagi kong sinusuportahan ng CS. Natilog ikaw. Tulog! Ay! Tilog ikaw. Pagdalo si Galangaw. Segway ikaw. Lumo na tawag ko. Tilog ikaw. Segway ikaw. Second question? Ati, second question. Ha? Suma-suma!
Do you think maka-cope up ka dun sa mga tao?
Magkano?
Cope up.
Cope up.
Paano kasabay sa kanila?
You know guys, I'm already 24. Marami na akong na-meet na friends. Pero I know that this will be different from now on. They are Vietnamese people.